Hello everybody, this is Maroc Tech, and today I'm gonna show you how to get ringtones using the application Zedge and also with the Zedge Tone Sync. In my opinion, Zedge is the best app for the ringtones. So first, what you have to do is download Zedge in your iPhone or Android, doesn't matter. Okay, and the second thing, you have to download also Zedge Tone Sync. I'm gonna put the link in the description box. Okay, so you just click on download Tone Sync for Mac or PC. Okay, so I already have Zedge Tone Sync. Then once you downloaded, what you have to do is open Zedge Tone Sync. Okay, like that. Then you click next, and it's going to ask you to scan a QR code, this one. So what you have to do is go here, see, on the top left here, and you scroll down until you see scan QR code, this one. You scan QR code, okay, and then come back to the QR code, scan it. Okay, now it's syncing with your iTunes. You click next, it doesn't matter, I'm gonna explain to you, it's really easy. Okay, so now you go to your iTunes. Okay, go to your phone. Okay, easy. You go here on tones. I already downloaded three tones. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So here again on top left, you click on ringtone, and here you can choose any ringtone that you want. There are lots of ringtone available. You can choose by popular, you can choose by recent, you can choose also by category: blues, comedy, country, dance, etc. You can search, look for someone, for example Michael Jackson here. So you have a lot of choices. Let's say we're going to download Be Happy, for example. So here when you click play, you can listen to it. So maybe you won't listen to it when you see this video through YouTube, but I can hear it through my iPhone. Okay, so if you like the music, you click on the ringtone, you click then on get ringtone, and then you come back to your iTunes. This is the music that we downloaded, Be Happy. This is Be Happy. Okay, so what you have to do again, go to, so we are here, go to tones, go to, if you want all tones or selected one, I prefer selected one, and you click on Be Happy, for example, and you click on apply. As simple as that. And now you just wait. So I'm gonna stop the video just right here and come back when it's done. Done. Okay, now you just go to your setting, sounds, your ringtone, and there you go. First one. Really easy. Yesterday I downloaded a nice, really cool ringtone. This one.